Mr. Karwa, how long you have been associated with LMW?
I think we've been associated with LMW for 21 years now.
Okay, okay,
First turning machine when we went to CNC machines
okay,
was from LMW.
okay.
So yeah, 21 years.
21.
And it's going strong, nice.
And your company is totally dedicated to aerospace industries for precision products and components.
Yeah, we exported for aircraft components.
What sort of a product which you manufacture, and which LMW machine which you are using it for the same?
Landing gears, actuation, engine, fuselage, power distribution. We're supplying to every aircraft platform in the world today. Commercial aircraft. And we're using LMW machines for turning and milling on those machines. We would first want to buy always Indian machines. That's our first prerogative. I think Mr. Manoj knows also. We always try. If there is an opportunity to buy an Indian machine for the required quality and product, first preference is always for Indian machines. However, aerospace, I think the main difference is high strength steel. So we require much more higher torque and stability of the machine at higher torque. So we call it as tool tip vibrations. They need to be controlled. So you need very high torque and very balanced approach.
Few words about LMW machines.
Very, very satisfied. Extremely good service. Extremely good marketing. Accuracy has been improving since we bought our first machine. I think recently we bought one machine from LMW, worked fantastically.
One last question is regarding supply chain disruption which is happening all over the world. How far you are addressing that particular problem while producing these precision products in your factory? How is it affecting in terms of production?
Big time. For aerospace, all of the steels are imported. Because none of the mills are approved for aircraft components yet in India. There's a requirement from the government of India for BIS standard. Now, aerospace mills are already AS certified. They're approved by major OEMs across the world. They don't want to go for a BIS certificate. There's a challenge there. We're importing against advanced licenses, but yeah, there's a challenge.
So, perspective in terms of business here in India for aerospace industries is going quite strong, correct?
Very, very strong. One of the upcoming industries, I would say. We are extremely virgin in terms of aircraft supply chain. We're just coming up, maybe 15-year-old industry in India, not very old. And yeah, it's growing at a very, very rapid rate. Our skill set is very, very high. Cost competitiveness is good. So it's going good.